Famous food of Goa. First, Kulkul. It is a sweet dish gone recipe which is made from coconut cream and flour. During the time of Christmas, the recipe is made in every home. The sweet dish looks very cute as made everyone to taste it. Cooking the sweet dish is also very common in everyone during the time of any festival. Second, roast omelette. If you are feeling famished during the travel in evening, roast omelette is the best dish to have as a healthy snack. Roast omelette is nothing but just the one which is drizzled with chicken gravy or the mutton gravy. For those who are non-veg lovers, the dish is best for them to have. It is a very healthy snack which helps the person to stay refreshed and active while they travel. Third, mussels rava fry. In the batter of rava, mussels get fried up. At the time of drinking, the dish can be consumed as a chakna. The dish is perfect, crunchy appetizer and a great dish with delicious flavors added in it. 5. Snars. If you are a bread lover, snars can treat as like the alternative of bread. It is a rice flour recipe. One can have the dish with curry. It is very delicious in taste and Goa people usually have this during meal. 4. Prawn ball chow. Do you love prawns? Do you like having pickle with your meals? Prawn ball chow is something best to have with meal. It is a kind of prawn pickle. It tastes yum with every recipe. If you will have bal chow with rice, it tastes really well. The type of the dish is multicultural. It is nothing but just more as like a vinegar base. 6. Chicken Ex Cutie. Chicken Ex Cutie is also known as chicken sakuti. In Goa, it is the most famous recipe. You might find the recipe at any other place, but Goa has the best taste of it. The dish is fully loaded with spices. 7. Chicken caffrel. Chicken caffrel is a different recipe which is a kind of mixture of Portuguese and Goan cuisine. It is a unique but a very delicious. If anyone will ever been to Goa ever in their life, this is a must try dish for them to have. 8. Shark embod tick. The first thing about the dish is don't think the dish is ascribed to have because of its name shark. In the Goan houses, the dish is very common as it has great spicy taste. The dish is sour and spicy. 10. Pork Vindaloo. Goa is a great destination to have pork dishes. It is a traditional dish of Goa. At the very same time, the dish has the combination of chilies, vinegar, garlic and tangy tastes. When you will have pork vindaloo, I am sure you want it more. 9. Called Derrada. Called Derrada is a dish derived from Portuguese cuisine. It is a kind of fish stew which has different fishes in it. In the list of seafood, it is the most recommended and best one to have. For all the seafood lovers, it is like heaven to have the dish.